My dear students, ladies and gentlemen, professional managers, doctors, engineers, social scientists, economists, NGOs, public sector officials, let me all welcome you to the course on Total Quality Management. TQM is a one step ahead of the basic course of management. तो इसलिए मैं आपसे एक्सपेक्ट करूंगा कि आप सब मैनेजमेंट का वो पहला कोर्स प्रिंसिपल्स ऑफ मैनेजमेंट रजिस्टर कर चुके होंगे, उस कंटेंट को लर्न कर चुके होंगे और फिर उस कोर्स का लास्ट सेशन आप रिकॉल भी कीजिएगा और मैं भी आज थोड़ा सा उसको रिकॉल करूंगा. उस सेशन में मैंने क्वालिटी मैनेजमेंट के कुछ कॉन्सेप्ट्स आपसे शेयर किए थे. ये एक फुल फ्लेज कोर्स है. कई यूनिवर्सिटीज इस पर मास्टर और पीएचडीज भी अवार्ड करती हैं. इस कोर्स की अहमियत क्या है? Why we would like to learn quality concepts? How are we going to measure quality? How are we going to improve quality? How can quality enter into every function of every organization, of every office, and let me say, in every home? With this concept in mind, with this vision in mind, with this purpose in mind, I would like to share with you my experience of the last 30 years working in academia, carrying out research, interacting in consulting assignments with multinational and Pakistani companies, and going on training the managers globally and learning from them and imparting that knowledge to the students like you. My dear students, my name is Rashid Kausar. I would like to share with you what I have learned in the area of quality management. I got my PhD from Michigan State University in 1978. Quality management concepts were not even available and familiar in those days. It's a concept of 80s and maybe let me say 90s. It has taken new shape. It has gone from management to include the whole organization, to cover all functions, to look into every process and activities which is going on in office and also what is going on at home. And while we are going to learn the concepts of TQM, the purpose, the mission, and the vision in my mind is that sharing with you what good companies in Pakistan are doing, letting you know how can you do things better in your sphere, in your domain, और फिर उसके साथ कैसे हम अपने आप को, अपने ऑफिस को, अपने वर्क एनवायरनमेंट को, अपनी कस्टमर रिलेशनिंग को और फिर उसके बाद सोसाइटी और मुल्क की बेहतरी के लिए इन कॉन्सेप्ट्स को कैसे हम यूज कर सकते हैं. तो TQM will not only be including the management concepts or would not be only applied to the management systems, but we will try to apply the quality concepts in marketing, quality concepts in IT. Speaking of IT, information systems and software development, it's a teamwork. It's where you bring in team of software engineers, team of system analysts, team of project manager, team in which these people are working together to produce a software. How we can bring the concepts of quality. So the quality concepts are not only for the business managers. Quality concepts, believe me, can be used at home. Quality attitude, quality behavior, quality thinking, quality in working, quality in managing your resources, and how to bring quality in your life. मैं कुछ एग्जाम्पल्स इंक्लूड करूंगा और हम शेयर करेंगे कि किस तरह से इस क्वालिटी के कॉन्सेप्ट को जापानीज ने यूज करते हुए they have turned around their economy, they have turned around their markets, and their manufacturing or service or other organizations have really become a role model for the other countries to follow. इस पर्सपेक्टिव में फिर TQM के कोर्स के अंदर आप एक्सपेक्ट कीजिए कि a blend of students picking up general concepts, applying them in their own domain and sphere, how to improve the performance of work, performance of product, performance of services, performance of artifacts. Speaking of the performance, कैसे हॉस्पिटल्स के अंदर जो पेशेंट्स एंटर होते हैं, how efficiently we can use the quality concepts. अच्छा, अब ये डॉक्टर्स और नर्सेज यूज करेंगे इन कॉन्सेप्ट्स को. How can they use these quality concepts to improve the health delivery, to cut down on the time taken by the patients in the hospital? I'll give you some examples. And believe me, my dear students, in this course, we will learn those examples which will sometimes surprise us and sometimes open our eyes that there is a lot to learn. There is a lot to improve. अच्छा, पर जब इंप्रूवमेंट की हम बात करते हैं तो TQM के अंदर कंटिन्यूअस इंप्रूवमेंट की बात करते हैं. Not only today, not only tomorrow, next week, next month, the year next, and the next year, 5 years down the road, 10 years down the road, we want to survive, we want to sustain, we want to be in the market. अच्छा, फिर क्यों नहीं? How about living in the memories of the friends? These friends could be your peers, colleagues, maybe boss, a friendly boss who is there to teach you the concepts of quality, who is there to develop your personality that you could be a well-groomed, wealth-competent, market-ready, ready to take the challenge, and ready to contribute towards the welfare of the organization. May this be organization for profit or not for profit. ये वो कॉन्सेप्ट्स हैं जो क्वालिटी मैनेजमेंट के कॉन्सेप्ट्स हैं. नेचुरली ये थ्योरीज भी हैं, इनके मॉडल्स भी हम लर्न करना चाहेंगे और फिर उसके साथ ही हम ये देखना भी चाहेंगे कि इन कॉन्सेप्ट्स को ऑपरेशनल फ्लोर पर, मार्केट के अंदर, फाइनेंस में और अकाउंटिंग में, आईटी के पर्सपेक्टिव में, रिक्वायरमेंट एनालिसिस में, इंफॉर्मेशन सिस्टम डेवलप करते हुए मॉड्यूलैरिटी के कॉन्सेप्ट्स और यूटिलिटीज और फंक्शनैलिटीज को ऐड करते हुए, हाउ कैन वी डेवलप अ क्वालिटी प्रोडक्ट, हाउ कैन वी डेवलप अ क्वालिटी सिस्टम. और फिर इसके साथ ही वो क्या एट्रीब्यूट्स होंगी, वो क्या कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स होंगी, वो क्या पैरामीटर्स होंगे कि जब कोई देखने वाला ये कहे, जब देखने वाला उस प्रोडक्ट को देखे, तो यूज करने वाला उस सिस्टम को यूज करे, तो वो ये कहे कि यस, इट इज अ क्वालिटी प्रोडक्ट. लेट मी रिकॉल दैट लीडर ऑफ द ब्लैक्स who used to say and tell them that, look gentlemen, I have a dream, and the dream is that whenever you do your work and you go away, let somebody come in and appreciate your work, what a quality work is done. Now, you are not there, you are not listening, but you are getting the delightness of that customer who is using your workspace which you cleaned. You are getting the reward in terms of good words, maybe later on in terms of good increment, maybe later on at the time of promotion, a good promotion. So my dear students, the concepts of quality are not only for business managers. Concepts of quality are for teachers, are for doctors, to be used by engineers, even by children. We will learn some examples from the Japanese children, how they use the concepts of quality while working in school, while doing their lessons, while dealing with teachers. So the concepts of quality are not only for business managers. Concepts of quality can be used by ladies, by gentlemen, by professionals, by operators, by supervisors, first-line managers, middle managers, and let us look even the top managers, CEOs, CFOs, Chief Operating Officer, Chief Information Officer, Chief Learning Officer. Everybody has something to learn from the course on TQM. मैं इसीलिए इस कोर्स को TQM नहीं कह रहा हूं. Please take a note. It's a total quality management, of course. But let us take the quality concepts not only in management systems, within the whole organization. How can we develop a total quality organization? अच्छा, और फिर जो total quality organization होगी, मेरा ख्याल है कि उसमें काम करने वाले लोग भी total quality individuals होंगे. They would carry total quality personality. तो बहुत सारे concepts को blend करते हुए organization के perspective में, अच्छा देखिए फिर हमने organization के बारे में क्या learn किया था? 2 or more than 2 people working together to achieve the common goal. So while achieving the common goal, what is there to learn from quality? What are the concepts and how they are going to help to refine, to make our processes efficient and to give us the best results? The results which the market would define, the market would declare, the market would tell you and make you the market leader. और जो कंपनी मार्केट लीडर होती है, मेरा ख्याल है आप मुझसे एग्री करेंगे कि उसका मार्केट शेयर भी फिर ज्यादा होता है. अच्छा, फिर इसके साथ ही देखिए मैं बात कर रहा हूं टोटल क्वालिटी स्ट्रेटजी की. वी गो टू द टॉप लेवल. दैट इज वेयर द स्ट्रेटजीज आर डेवलप्ड. सो इन अदर वर्ड्स, यस इट इज ट्रू, क्वालिटी एंटर्ड ऑन द ऑपरेशन फ्लोर. हम हिस्ट्री से देखना चाहेंगे कि कैसे ये एंटर हुई मॉडर्न मैनेजमेंट में, कैसे ये एंटर हुई पोस्ट इंडस्ट्रियल रेवोल्यूशन में, कैसे क्वालिटी के कॉन्सेप्ट्स एंटर हुए प्रोडक्शन फ्लोर पर और मैन्युफैक्चरिंग ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में. एंड व्हाइल प्रूविंग इट्स वर्थ इन मैन्युफैक्चरिंग ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस, सर्विस ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस ने भी इन कॉन्सेप्ट को लर्न किया, इंप्लीमेंट किया और अपने अपने सेक्टर में वो मार्केट के लीडर बने. अच्छा, फिर बहुत सारी कंपनियां ऐसी हैं माय डियर स्टूडेंट्स कि जो दे वर क्लोज देयर डोर्स. Their processes were not producing those kind of products, those kind of services which the customers would like to have. देखिए, कस्टमर को ये राइट तो आपको देना पड़ेगा. आप ये कोर्स रजिस्टर करके आए हैं, मैं ये समझता हूं एज ए प्रोफेसर ये आपका राइट है और ये राइट आपको मिलना चाहिए कि आप इस सिस्टम को फीडबैक दें कि द वे कोर्स इज डिलीवर्ड, the way teacher is interacting, the way technology is helping, what is the efficiency? What is the learning excellence? And after learning these concepts, how am I going to be an able manager, a competent manager, a skillful manager, a manager with a personality which people would like to interact? Not a manager, maybe a leader. So that's why we take the quality from the operational floor to the tactical floor and then to the strategic floor. इस कोर्स के अंदर as we go on, We will try to see the management function and the management system. That is the first thing to look into. But then we will also try to see the technical side of quality. Engineers, software engineers, mechanical engineers, electrical engineers. How are we going to develop the robust systems, reliable systems? How are we going to develop those systems which will not fail, which will not give up a very harsh condition? So in other words, when the going gets tough, the design issue developed by engineers, आप में से जो लोग इंजीनियर हैं, they are there to come up with a design. Design ऐसा robust है. We will learn those concepts, technical side of quality. That once it is developed into a product and it is used in a market condition which are very tough, which are very rough, which are very harsh, the product will not fail. The product will give the best results and the customer will be happy and the customer will speak good about the organization. इसका मतलब ये होगा कि प्रोडक्ट डेवलप करते हुए कुछ ऐसी स्ट्रेटजीज डेवलप की गई कि ऑर्गेनाइजेशन का नाम रोशन हो. अच्छा, ऑर्गेनाइजेशन का नाम रोशन होने की जब हम बात कर रहे हैं, what are we talking? We are talking of organizational excellence. इसका मतलब ये हुआ कि we like to introduce and we like to upgrade and we like to bring in the concepts of excellence by implementing quality. We like to see those organizations in Pakistan which could be world class. और यकीन कीजिए पाकिस्तान में ऐसी ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस हैं. सियालकोट में कई कंपनियां हैं जिनके बनाए हुए प्रोडक्ट, पाकिस्तानी कंपनियों के बनाए हुए प्रोडक्ट पूरी दुनिया में अपनी मिसाल नहीं रखते. लाहौर और कराची में ऐसी बहुत सारी कंपनियां हैं जिनके बनाए हुए गारमेंट्स, जिनके बनाए हुए बेडशीट्स, जिनके बनाए हुए टॉवल्स, they are sold all over the world. And wherever the customers buy those products, they feel delighted. अच्छा देखिए, जब कस्टमर डिलाइट होगा, मैं सेटिस्फैक्शन की बात नहीं कर रहा, वन स्टेप हायर, कस्टमर डिलाइट होगा. And why not customer would be surprised? Oh, wow, what a quality. I never expected this. What is this organization which is giving this product? So soft, so